Visit our website to start your Spanish learning journey.
If we are using a clear pronoun as in me gusta la pizza, it is not necessary to clarify because I know you are referring to me, yo. However, it is very common that we start a conversation by saying a mí me gusta. Or if a person just said a mí me gusta la pizza, you can reply with an emphatic form to make a contrast or a comparison. A mí me gusta la comida mexicana. It's like saying, you like pizza and I like Mexican food. It's like a comparison. But if we are using a pronoun that can be confused with another, we add an extra emphatic form, which is for yo, a mí me gusta. For tú, it will be a ti te gusta. For él, ella, usted, it will be a él, a ella, a usted le gusta. And now I'm being specific. I'm saying exactly to which person. For nosotros, it will be a nosotros nos gusta. For vosotros, it will be a vosotros os gusta. And finally, for ellos, ellas, and ustedes, it will be a ellos, a ellas, a ustedes les gusta. A él le gusta la pizza. This last sentence is clear.